Well, as you can see, I'm Rick Dancer, and we are in Baker City because that's the sign of Baker City, is the Geyser Grand Hotel. This is PNW Backstories. We want to thank our sponsors, Toyota and your Northwest Toyota dealer, because we have found one heck of a great story. Market in town called Bella Main Street Market, and everybody knows about this place, but what we didn't know is Kathy and I love gin and tonic, and we found out that a Eugene company sold their product called Ruby D, and this is Andy, there's Kathy. Company, you guys, originally, and well, I'll let Andy tell the story, but now it's made right here in this place, right here in Baker City. So Andy, tell me about the history of this, how this kind of happened.
So my boss used to, Beverly Calder, she used to take quinine pills for dry eyes. When they took it off the market, she had to turn to tonics and tonic concentrates.
And so she found this out of Eugene, right?
Yes, yeah. So a lot of tonics and tonic concentrates are loaded with corn syrup and stuff. But she found this that was only lightly sweetened with agave nectar, and so she started using that.
So what is quinine supposed to be good to treat?
Well, it was originally used as a prophylactic for malaria, but they found other uses. It treats restless leg syndrome, dry eyes, muscle cramps, hemifacial spasms, all kinds of really annoying things.
Yeah, I have the dry eye.
I would say I'd never even heard that before. I knew maybe a little bit about the leg cramp thing,
restless leg syndrome.
Yeah, but nothing with the eyes.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
So the main ingredient comes from this. That's where the quinine comes from, right? So you take that and it's called what?
It's cinchona bark. Cinchona bark is what it's called. And in the brewing process, quinine is extracted from the cinchona bark using citric acid. So no pressure.
That is really good.
Isn't that nice? Very refreshing.
Very refreshing.
So you were telling me earlier the problems with a lot of tonic waters on the market is they're filled with other stuff or not even quinine.
Or not even quinine. Quinine flavoring is in a lot of the tonic waters that you find, and corn syrup, tons and tons of sugar. And again, we only lightly sweeten this with agave nectar, so it's pretty benign. We also
What, you tell the flavors you make it into.
So we have the original citrus, spiced, and extra bitter. So the extra bitter has a higher concentration of quinine in it. It has more cinchona bark in the brew, and it actually has even less agave nectar. So people who are using it for medical purposes have to worry even less about their sugar intake. So, yep.
So when people come into Baker City inside of your little Bell's shop here, they find out this is where the quinine factory is.
Yeah, this is the spot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, I'm going to taste mine, you guys. So again, we're Baker City. And again, the name, this is where it's the best little kitchen wine, chocolate, and good food store ever, and home of Ruby D Quinine Tonics. So that's where you go in Baker.